Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now let's stay on general category. At the second position here we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the preview, we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the right to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to left corner settings, tap to grid to turn it off, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.